Garlic is one of those foods where you either love it or hate it. Sure, it can make your breath bad, but it tastes so good and you can always brush your teeth later. It's the stronger cousin to the onion and has been used for thousands of years. Here are 4 reasons you might want to include garlic in your daily diet. Garlic was probably the first superfood, in that it is not only good tasting, but it also has a lot of healthful benefits. Not only is it a low-calorie food, but it also contains good amounts of vitamin C, which helps protect the immune system, and vitamin B6, which promotes brain health and helps reduce depression symptoms. But garlic's main asset is that it contains sulfur compounds, which get dispersed through absorption in the digestive tract and have many positive effects on your body. 1. Blood pressure. Some doctors have prescribed garlic supplements as part of an overall campaign to lower blood pressure, with good reason. Those sulfur compounds we mentioned earlier get converted by blood cells into a gas, which expands the blood vessels. This lets the blood cells move more freely and your circulatory system run smoothly. 2. Cholesterol. High blood pressure isn't the only concern, elevated levels of LDL cholesterol are also worrisome. Fortunately, garlic can help with that as well. Research indicates that taking garlic supplements can reduce LDL levels by 10% to 15% without affecting HDL, good, cholesterol. While incorporating garlic into your meals is certainly more enjoyable than taking it in pill form, achieving the same benefits would require consuming the equivalent of 4 whole cloves of garlic daily. 3. Brain. So what else can garlic do? It's also a powerful antioxidant. This means that not only is it helpful for the body, but also the mind. After all, if your cholesterol and your blood pressure are lowered, you are at lower risk of developing brain impairments like Alzheimer's and dementia. It's certainly no cure, but it's something to help as a preventative. 4. Strong bones. Finally, garlic can also be beneficial for your bone health. People with osteoarthritis and other bone diseases usually develop these problems due to calcium deficiency and low estrogen levels in both women and men. Garlic doesn't contain estrogen, but it does encourage estrogen production in the body. Therefore, simply taking garlic will keep your hormone levels from falling to the point that bone density issues can take over.